Don't. Guys, do you know it's really such a big deal to be loved by a lot of people? Wait, can I brag on that? Can I actually brag that I'm loved by so many people? Type shit. Like, I don't even know who to start thanking, where to start. Like, see, guys, see, the kind of love way I actually don't receive this period makes me emotional. But I feel good. I feel good. Jokes on you, Ned, because you thought people would hate me. I bet if you people see this video again, people say this guy is very unserious, but I'm actually very unserious. Type shit. That's something you all don't know. I'm actually very unserious because I have my mothers, my fathers, my uncles, my brothers, my sisters, my friends, my fans, my online aunties and online daddies, and everybody doing the fights for me and why I'm, type shit. Type shit. And my brother is out. So one battle down. Oh my God. See, all of you mocked me on this internet too, but the mockery actually gave me courage to stand. Because I don't like to be mocked. And I actually don't like to be pitied. I don't know even... Why don't I like to be pitied? So you guys made me so emotional, I swear. Because truthfully, I want help. I need help. But I've raised myself so much in this society that it feels illegal to ask for help. It feels illegal to be in need of so many people, knowing fully well that not all eyes that looks at you with good intentions. Like, it's not... But at this world day, we go rugged. Like, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Shit. My sister say Obiakwa. I don't Biakwa. Type shit. Thank you guys. Like, I want to mention so many names, but I can't even begin to be mentioning the names like that in this disrespectful manner. Like, guys, my mothers, my mama, my mom, my God on earth, God bless you. My father, God bless you. Mommy, if I don't add Mama Messi, nobody will know, but I cannot be calling you Mama Messi. Mommy, I love you. And you love me too. Type shit. Auntie Doris. I cannot start listing names. I'm so emotional. But I'm so happy, so I cannot cry. Like, my heart is happy. No. I'm happy. This my sister, they bully me for this place.